In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Claude AI in VS Code. By the end, you'll have the Claude Code extension installed, signed in, and ready to help with file edits, debugging, and code generation right inside your editor. First, open Visual Studio Code and head to the extension's view. You can click the square icon on the left activity bar or use the keyboard shortcut if you prefer. If it's been a while since your last update, it's a good idea to make sure VS Code is up to date so the extension installs smoothly and all features work as expected. Next, in the extension search box, type Claude Code. You're looking for the official Claude integration for VS Code. Before you proceed, quickly check the listing details to confirm it's the legitimate one and not a lookalike. Reviews and the description can help you verify you've got the right extension. Once you've found the official extension, click Install. VS Code will download and set it up automatically. If you're prompted to reload the window, go ahead and do that to finish activation. After installation, you should see a new Claude entry and a distinctive Spark icon in your sidebar. That's your shortcut to open the panel and start using Claude in your projects. Click the Spark icon to begin sign in. The extension will guide you through a quick authentication flow, usually by opening your browser to confirm your account. Complete the process there, then return to VS Code. You'll know you're signed in when the panel shows your conversation area and status without asking again. If your organization uses strict network settings, make sure your browser can open the sign-in page so the handshake completes successfully. With setup done, you can run Claude from the integrated terminal to work directly with your codebase. Open the terminal from the top menu or with the standard shortcut. From here, you can ask Claude to perform file-level operations like creating or updating files, help debug by explaining errors and suggesting fixes, and generate code such as functions, tests, or scaffolding. Keep prompts specific. Mention file names, languages, and the goal you want. When Claude proposes changes, review the diff before accepting so you understand exactly what will be modified. It's also smart to commit your work first so you can easily compare or roll back. For debugging, paste relevant error messages and point Claude to the file or snippet. For generation, describe the desired API or constraints to guide better output. Avoid pasting secrets and consider working in a branch while you iterate. And that's it. You've set up Claude AI in VS Code and are ready to accelerate your workflow right inside the editor.